What do you do on those days that you don't feel that confident or fearless or powerful like you did out there?
Pretend.
Fake it?
Yeah.
Until we make it.
Just one thing. For me, you are still the only dream. It could be right, could be wrong. All love is just so strong. I know there's something I wanna ask. Why are we still living in the past? Why are we still running in the dark? Why not creating a new start?
I can do this. Now we take a deep breath, we do a prayer to the hair gods, and we hope for the best.
Bro, no one talks about how hard this is. Uh-oh. I am shivering in my timbers right now.
If it didn't work this time, I'm giving up.
Brad would be so proud of me right now. Okay, look at the back. I don't know if you can actually see it, but
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Make that pistol pop.
My cup so dirty, I've been sipping that bloody mint. I'm inside my program, pro milk for time, roll on my doorbell.
Came out Auburn.
And since the day all went down, I'm not afraid.
Okay, let's rock this bitch. It's not my fault you're like in love with me or something. Oh! Do you know what everyone says about you? They say that you're a homeschooled jungle freak who's a less hot version of me. That is so fetch. You want to do something fun? You want to go to Taco Bell?
you dirty little liar.
Oh no, she did not.
I'm starting by sectioning out the bottom half.
No, I don't wanna dance with you, baby.
Time to mix up the bleach.
If I had it my way, I'd take the last train on the run.
Mixy, mixy. I'm bleaching my ends first, then going in on my roots.
So sad. They don't need you like I do.
Time to let it process.
Spend your time on the firing line, 'cause everybody knows better than you. You got your boys in the corner.
I know it's yellow, but I'ma cover it up with dye.
The waiting patience.
I'm using Arctic Fox in the shade Poison. Well, no turning back. Looks scary. Gotta trust the process. Now I'm mixing up the dark brown.
No, I don't wanna dance with you, baby.
Decided to dye my eyebrows. Rinsed it out with cold water and used Olaplex. Decided to cut my bangs again instead of waiting for them to grow out. Blow dry. Time to style it and do my makeup. Wow, I love it so much.
Make it pop, make that pistol pop.
Because you think you're cool.
But rumor has it he's the one I'm leaving you for.
I'm begging, begging you, put your love in.
Come on, hit it one time. Ain't free, she call on my line. Ain't late, use my slime.